a group chat on the Google Chats. So in Google Chats, so I've already opened the Google Chats, and here on the Google Chat you can see there is this called Space. So Space is basically a group chat where you can invite more than one friends into to join the space. So in here, if you want to create a group chat, you can just click on the spaces and tap on find a space to join. You can click on create a space to create a new space or a group chat, and here you can just add a space name, example. Now you can tap on create, and then you can just tap on add members to the group chat. You can search your friends or people in here, the people that you want to invite to the group chat on space. You can just find it like this, and after that you can tap on add. Okay, and now this group chat is consists of 4 members, and that's how you can create a group chat on the Google Chats. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.